Hey guys, Andy from Mr. Yoo-Hoo, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into something I'm so excited about, setting up a complete Wi-Fi sound system across my apartment using three incredible speakers from Edifier. The MS50A, the D32, and the S1000W, which is a boomer of the bunch. Now guys, you're probably saying, why would I want to create a Wi-Fi sound system? Well, there's a number of reasons why. Firstly, it sounds good, of course. Secondly, convenience. Thirdly, immersion. And fourthly, connectivity. So just picture this. Imagine walking from your living room to your kitchen to your bedroom and having the same music, podcast, or even your favorite audiobook, flowing seamlessly. Perfect synced in every room. No wires, no delays, just pure room-filling sound wherever you go. It's perfect, guys, whether you're hosting a party, relaxing with your favorite playlist, or even enjoying a movie night with theater quality sound. And guys, these Edifier speakers make it so simple. And as you can see, today I've got the MS50A in front of me, the D32, and we've got the S1000W over there, which we'll show you. I'm going to show you today how to set this up. So I'm going to walk you through step by step how to connect the speakers, set them up in Multiroom audio, explore amazing features like Apple AirPlay 2, Alexa integration, and the Edifier app. I'll also share why each of these speakers is a great choice for different spaces in your room. As a bonus, I'll be giving away a Edifier prize at the end, so look out and check descriptions for your chance to win. I'll give you more information shortly. As you guys can see, these are beautiful speakers. The D32, look at that amazing retro look. It really does look stunning. And the S50A, I mean, look at that. Again, wooden paneled. Doesn't that look beautiful? So, guys, let's start by going into each speaker in a bit more detail. So firstly, the MS50A, as you can see here. Now, this is a stylish wireless smart speaker with a beautiful wooden cabinet design that fits perfectly into any room. As you can see, it is just there. It supports Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, Apple AirPlay 2, Spotify Connect, and Alexa. Plus, there's no built-in microphone, which, guys, is great if you're privacy conscious, but still want all the smart features. You can even pair two MS50A units together for a true stereo experience. Just bearing in mind that the MS50A is actually corded as well. It's not wireless. So it's the first one. Great little speaker. Next, we have the D32. Now, this is probably one of my favorites. As you can see, it is just there. Look at that lovely retro look. Now, this delivers 60 watts of power and up to 11 hours of battery life. Guys, it supports high-res audio codecs like LDAC and ALAC, which means you get to get amazing sound quality even on the go. It's compact, but don't let you fool this. This speaker packs a serious punch, and there you can control them just there. It makes it smaller spaces for the home, the office, or the bedroom, and it really does look beautiful. The next one is a powerhouse of the trio, the S1000W. This speaker delivers 120 watts of high-res audio and offers a full range of connectivity options. So guys, you've got Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, optical, coaxial, and RCA. Now, if you're serious about sound, or you're looking for a premium setup, the S1000W is the speaker for you. Full reviews of each of these as well, which you guys can see, check in the description. So now that you've met the lineup, let's get into setup. The goal here is to create a Wi-Fi sound system that covers your entire apartment. For these speakers, you can sync them all together. For your music or movies are perfectly in sync no matter where you are. And we're going to go and set them up. Then I'm going to go play them in a room, walk the camera through, so you guys can see how the sound works in it, but it's going to be so immersive. You know, I can't wait. The first step is connecting your speakers to the Wi-Fi network. Do this on each speaker, press the power button, and then press the Wi-Fi button. Then open the Edifier app on your phone, select Add New Device, and follow the prompts to connect the speakers to your Wi-Fi. Once connected, you can rename each speaker based on the room, like living room, bedroom, or office. Repeat this process for each speaker. Guys, it's super simple, as you can see, and just takes minutes. The other thing as well is you can just go and take the speakers directly to Bluetooth if you want. Turn them on, pair them to Bluetooth, but bearing in mind Bluetooth, you can't use multiple speakers at once. Now, once the speakers are on the same Wi-Fi network, you can set them up as a multi-room system. I use iPhone a lot, as you can see here. So if you've got an iPhone, open it up, tap the AirPlay icon, and connect them. You can also go to the control center to name each speaker and assign it to a room if you wish. Okay guys, now I'm going to show you how easy it is to connect all the three Edifier speakers we've got set up. So I've got one here in the lounge room, the Edifier S1000. We've got the D32 in the bedroom and the MS50A in the small second room. So very, very easy to do. So you can see you've got the app on here. So literally you just open up, turn on each speaker, go through, select Wi-Fi, connect them to the Wi-Fi network, put in a password, and you're ready to go. Now making sure you use the same Wi-Fi network for each speaker. So you see we've set up the Edifier S1000 here. We've also set up the M32. So if I go back, there's the MS50A through the room there. We've also got the D32 set up. So let me show you guys. So if I go to my music here, and if we go to the, we'll go to the AirPlay button just there. So I've got the Edifier 1000, the Edifier D32 and MS50A. So let's press all these buttons and connect them all at once. And as you can see, you can control them all through the app as well. So if I press a button now, they're going to be playing. I might just make the music volume levels all the same too as well. So let's press the button there and let's go. It's playing here and in the other rooms. Let me go and take you on a journey and show you guys how they're playing across all the rooms. So here we've got the SW1000 playing right there. As you can see, it's really pumping out. Let's go look in the other room too. It's a good tour of my place as well. And here's the MS50A, look, playing away. And now let's go and look at the other room where the Edifier D32 is playing. So I'll take you for a walk. And again, the sound's completely synchronized too. And here we go, listen to this. Does it sound great? And there it is just there. Doesn't that sound brilliant? And welcome to my room, guys, as well. Don't get too excited. The biggest thing for me as well here with the speakers, as you can see, it sits in the room here. Being able to go from the lounge room into the bedroom to be able to hear the same music is great. If you're cleaning, you want to walk around the house, it's great. So as you can see, it's seamlessly perfectly between the rooms. Great music. So enjoy the sound in here as well as it all plays at the same time. How cool is this as well? Also in the bedroom, you can listen to the music as well. So as you can see, it's simulcast between all the areas simultaneously. So yeah, it's great. And I do a lot of walking around the house, working and parties, and we can have all the music playing at the same time. So yeah, it's great. Enjoy the music. Let me stop the music for a minute. Now, as you can see, the speakers worked in each room. They all went together. Now, the flat's like 120 square meters. I can hear the music through each of the room, which is really, really brilliant. But if we go back and have a look, so I said you can control each speaker too. So you can switch them on or switch them off depending on what you want. So you go there, you can turn it on, turn it off. Yeah, you can do so much with this. It really is good. So that's the Apple AirPlay as well. Alexa works a similar way. You go to the Alexa app, open it up, and you can control the speakers through using the Alexa app. Guys, you can also go and use the Wi-Fi speakers as well. So if you go to the Connects app too, the different speakers together too. So if you look in here, you can connect the MS50A and this one to work together as well. So that's another way of doing it. You can also set up the Wi-Fi for the speakers through the app too. So guys, as you can see, it works brilliantly. The control it gives you from your phone is incredible. Now, if you've got Google and want to use Alexa, you can do that too. It's just as easy. Open your Alexa app and link your Edifier speakers to your Amazon account. From there, you can group the speakers together and control playback using voice commands. Just say something like, Alexa, play my favorites in living room, and you're good to go. Alexa integration also makes it easy to add these speakers to your existing home setup, so you can enjoy synchronized sound settings and synchronized sound across multiple rooms with just your voice. They also work with Spotify Connect too, which is important. So if you've got Spotify, again, the great thing here is flexibility. You can cast it across a number of different apps to create the integrated sound system. So as you can see, the setup looks absolutely amazing, doesn't it? All the different speakers in each room, they look great and sound good. And that's the key thing with these. Each speaker brings slightly different, unique sound to it. So the MS50A fills a room with rich, balanced sound, make it perfect, relaxing, entertaining. The D32 delivers surprising power and clarity for its size. It's great for spaces where you want higher audio without taking up too much room. And the S1000W, an audiophile dream. Deep bass, crisp highs, and a soundstage that was immersive. So we put the S1000 in the main room. We put this in the kitchen, this in the bedroom. But as you can see, we switched them around as well. The D32 is wireless, so we can move that probably a little more easy than the other ones, but they're still good. And guys, for music lovers, the integration with Tidal Connect is also a huge plus. If you're into lossless audio, Tidal lets you stream hi-fi quality music directly to your Edifier speakers. It's perfect for enjoying your favorite tracks the way they're meant to be heard. Now guys, a few quick tips as well for optimizing the setup as well. We've covered this in our previous videos, but it's important to get it right. So placement matters. Avoid putting the speakers too close to walls or corners, as this can sometimes muddy the bass. For example, the S1000W, consider using speaker stands to get the sound up to give you the best sound projection. Secondly, make sure your Wi-Fi connection is stable. A dual band router can help ensure smooth streaming, especially for high-res audio. And guys, as you can see, I love the wooden look on these speakers. It really does make them look classy. And having all these speakers together for the Wi-Fi setup, I'm using it all the time. Now, before we wrap up, let me remind you of the giveaway. We're giving away one of these fantastic speakers, and entering is simple. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment below, and click the link below to enter as well. More entries you make, the more chance you have to win. And we've also already given away $1,000 of prizes. Can we Edifier headphones and Edifier speakers as well? So guys, there you have it. The Edifier MS50A, D32, and 1000W make it easier than ever to create a high-quality multi-room audio system. Whether you're looking for portability, powerful sound, or a premium listening experience, these speakers have you covered. Individually, they're great speakers, but combined as a group, wow, they blow it away. So let me know what you think. If you enjoyed hearing the music, the sound test, check out the other individual videos as well. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel for more tech reviews and tips.